because it's obviously not American, because American things are not well made and affordable.
We untouchable, uncrushable. We untouchable, uncrushable.
Hey y'all, what's up? As you can see, I look good today. And if you could like, comment, and subscribe, we're gonna get into this really cool video. It's gonna be my first time going to Ikea. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Especially because I'm about to move. And I've heard really great things about Ikea, and it's like this is the only one on the East Coast, I think, in Charlotte, North Carolina. And I'm here. I already had some business to handle, so I'm gonna go and try my best not to spend money. But yeah, before we get into all that good stuff, you know you gotta like, comment, subscribe. Come on, you know what to do. And we made it to Ikea. Now I gotta find somewhere to park. I didn't know this place was this big. Oh my god. And when I went inside, their cafe was closed, but I didn't know it was like a whole restaurant and cafe type seating area. And my friend told me it was in there, but like I didn't anticipate that. Y'all, I don't even know where to go. Like, I didn't know it was laid out like this. So I'm just gonna look around. We're gonna see what we find. So there is this duvet that I like a lot. Very affordable, but it's only for a twin. So I gotta find where they have the same thing just for a full-size bed. Okay, so I found this, which I think will be good for what I want, and it is $39.99. One thing oh, this is what it looks like. This is nice. Okay, I like it. If I could get it where it's not textured, that'd be great. But this is a good start. And overall, I've been seeing how Ikea is really affordable. I like it. Okay, so I think I found what I was looking for. Yeah, this is it. And one thing I'm realizing is that quality bedding is expensive. Well, that's not really expensive. For the thick quality that this is, it's really nice. But overall, quality bedding is expensive because, I mean, why would you not want to invest into your bed? So at least I'm finding places that have them much more affordable. So yeah. I've been looking for a new cutting board. This is a whole cutting board, $19.99. Ikea is insane. Oh my god. And I hate that I came in like the last 20 minutes because I love it. So I've been looking for curtains like this because I will have a canopy bed. So this is perfect. And once again, these are very affordable. I think these are like the exact ones that I want. They're very sheer. And it'll kind of give it like a palacey look. And they're only $4.99. That is crazy. really quick, I just want to say these type of bulbs that are like exposed, I love those the most. They're so cool. Excuse me, am I going towards the exit?
Yeah, you're almost there. Keep going that way, turn left.
Okay.
The White House, turn left.
Okay, thank you. Oh child, I am lost. I like these fake plants a lot, but at this price, I would rather get the real ones. But then they be dying. Their prices are so affordable, and I'll have to search up where it's from, because it's obviously not American, because American things are not well made and affordable. So it's kind of like giving me Aldi vibes, but for home things. And I really like that. Aldi is really affordable, quality as well. And it's not, I think Aldi's like German. I want to say that it's feeling German. But like I said, it's my first time here. I don't know. But I like this a lot. I can't wait to come back. I told myself today, I'm just going to look around because I ain't never been. And also make my trip to Charlotte a bit more worthwhile as opposed to coming and then going back immediately. But this was so cool. I'm so happy that I came so that like I know what to look for when I come back and I immediately get it. And of course, next time I come back, I'll come back with more time than 20 minutes. But I'm so happy, y'all. Like, I love shopping. And I'm trying to invest more in my home as well because I want my home to feel nice, you know? So that was really fun. I'm an old lady. Stuff like this is fun to me. I stopped recording inside for a second because this lady was walking really slow and I kind of sped up. And I think she thought I was following her. Like, good. I am not following you. Anyways, I liked it a lot. And now I know where to come when I come back. So if y'all could like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let me know what you like from Ikea. I'll be back. We'll probably do another vlog. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Bring it back now.